Welcome to our tutorial on exercise 9D. With this one, we've split it up into two parts. So part one covers solving one-step equations systematically. So we've done them by inspection already, having a look at them and just going, okay, what could that number kind of be, and having go at guessing. But now we're going to do it in a much more structured way. So again, going on with our notes, make sure we put our date and our heading. So for part one, to solve an equation, okay, we find a simpler equation that is equivalent by undoing an equation, by undoing the equation. So if I had something like 2x equals 4, I need to undo this 2 so I can end up with an equation that looks like x equals some number. So the way that I can do that is by undoing operations, okay, that are built around that particular equation. So anything that is maybe in front of the pronumeral, or if I had a number next to it, okay, I want the pronumeral just by itself. So we undo it. And the way that we undo it, undo it on both sides. So we use reverse operations, our opposite operations. So addition and subtraction, they're opposite, and multiplication and division, they are also opposite. So essentially, if you have plus on one side and you want to get rid of it, you minus both sides. If I have the reverse happening, so if I had, let me just make that a little bit clearer for you. So if I had plus on one side and I wanted to get rid of it, I would minus both sides. If I had a minus and I wanted to get rid of it, I would plus on both sides. If I had a multiply on one side and I wanted to get rid of it, I would use a division. So I would divide. And same as well, if I had division and I wanted to undo that division, I would use multiplication. Okay, so your whole mission with this is you perform the same operation, so that's really important, the same operation to both sides of the equation, because it does need to remain balanced, okay? We're constantly having a balancing act here. So what we do to one side of our equal sign, we do to the other side. Quick notes here as well, if you'd like to, exact same information, but just more of a visual representation and maybe a couple less words. Okay, hopping on to your examples.